Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image only using your iPhone. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe down below for more tips. So the first thing we're going to do is to simply open up the Photos app on our iPhone. You're going to find the photo that you want to use, and you simply have to select the person or the object that you want only on your picture. So let's say this is a person I want, and I want to remove the background. So I'm going to select myself, and then I'm going to wait a second, and I'm going to see three different options. I can either copy this, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and select copy. And now what you can do is go ahead and paste this somewhere else. So I can do this on my notes. For example, if I open up a new note and I select paste, there I have my image without a background. Another option you have is to share this with someone else. So I'm going to select share. And then if I send it to someone else, they're going to receive my image without the background. So it's either going to be, of course, black or white. So this is how it would look. I would only have to send it and share it with someone else. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.